Hi, thanks for coming to have a look at my YouTube channel. This is to feature my 1986 Avon and Somerset Rover Sd1 3.5 manual. It was registered in September 1986 and the first owner was Avon and Somerset Constabulary. Its duties were to patrol the M5, and it did that until November 1989 when it was sold. The call sign was Tango Whiskey 6, and I've spoken to a couple of the officers who used to drive it. The car was used until 1995 when it was dry stored in a barn in Scotland, which is where I got it from. The interior is very nice, the seats are good, and it's got a manual gearbox. Wind up windows, no cruise control, nothing fancy, proper police spec. And it has fared very well. Quick shot of the back seats. The headlining is missing, but you can see in the roof where the blue lights would have been fitted, and the aerials. The boot is very good condition. No excessive corrosion, no holes. Still has the original plasticky vinyl sides instead of carpets on the later models. The paintwork isn't brilliant, but it's original, and the car is solid. There's very, very little rust on the car. Under the bonnet is the original 3.5 V8 engine, and as you can see, yeah, it's a bit dirty, but it's solid and all there. I have had the engine running off a remote petrol can, and I'll upload a video of that shortly. So there we are. It's got solid steering rack mounts. It's got ventilated front discs, and it's pretty much standard. From what I've been told, it's had a new front wing at some point and a replacement rear arch. The wheels are a bit of a mismatch. I think the original wheels are on the front, so I should be looking to obtaining a set of these as time goes on. So there we have it. There she is, my 1986 Rover Sd1 3.5 V8 ex-motorway traffic car based in Almondsbury near Bristol. If anybody's got any information about this car, feel free to shout up and let me know. The registration number is D840AHY. So thank you again.